Like this is the ideal continuous reactor. Okay, this is the ideal continuous reactor, means the conversion will be always high, xa will be high as the ideal. Okay, input and output in continuous form means v naught, if input and then output also v naught will be there. If in input v naught, then in output also v naught will be there, and conversion will be high as ideal continuous reactor. So reactor for which feed and exit are both in continuous form, volumetric flow rate will be same at starting and at the end point. Okay, as then accumulation will be zero, as inlet and outlet v naught will be the same, and steady state behavior, always continuous reactor will be the steady state behavior. Okay, steady state behavior is there. And mixed flow means CSTR, and unmixed flow reactor, that is the PFR. Okay, inlet outlet v naught will be same, so the maximum conversion we will get x is the maximum conversion. Space time is the time required to process one or per reactor volume. Time required to process one or per reactor volume. Space velocity means number of reactor volume of processes per unit time. Number of reactor volume processes per unit time. When we will talk about space time, then time required to process per or one reactor volume, and space velocity is the number of reactor volume processes for per unit time or per unit velocity. Okay, what is the formula? Fa naught is equals to v naught into Ca naught. So Fa is equals to v naught into Ca. It is in the exit, as v naught will be the same in inlet or in exit for CVRS. Fa naught is equals to v naught into Ca naught for inlet. Fa is equals to v naught into Ca at the exit. Na is equals to Na naught into 1 minus Xa. The velocity is equals to distance divided by time. Fa is equals to Fa naught into 1 minus Xa. V naught exit is equals to v naught input 1 plus epsilon A Xa. V naught exit is equals to v naught input 1 plus epsilon A Xa. V naught exit is equals to v naught input 1 plus epsilon A Xa. It is for the CVRS only, and this Fa naught is equals to v naught Ca. Fa is equals to v Ca. Na is equals to Na naught 1 minus Xa. Fa is equals to Fa naught 1 minus Xa. These formula are valid for CVRS and VVRS both. Okay.